June is finally here, and for many of us, that means vacation. Whether you're heading out on an adventure or having a staycation, setting your vacation responder will help to alleviate work-related stress. Let me show you how. In your Gmail account, you're going to access your settings by clicking the gear icon, and then see all settings. From here, you're going to scroll all the way down to Vacation Responder and turn on the Vacation Responder. You can set your first day to be someday in the future, but since vacation for me has already started, I'm going to leave it with the default, which is today. The last day setting is optional because you can turn off your Vacation Responder at any time through your email settings. But since I know the first day of my contract is July 25th, I'm going to go ahead and set my last day as July 25th. Give it a subject and a message. Then I have the option to only send this response to people in my contacts, or if I leave that unchecked, anybody who sends an email will automatically receive this response. And then I save changes, and my vacation responder appears at the top, and I can end it at any time, even though I did set an end date. That's it. That's how you set your vacation responder. So now go enjoy your summer. See you next time.